Hello everyone, good day. Hello, guten Tag. My name is Ian from the Filipino nurses community in Germany. Today, I received a package courtesy of the Philippine Consulate General in Frankfurt. Maraming salamat po for sending me a special kit and giving me the opportunity to unbox it. So, without further ado, I'm presenting to you a special package that I received. Here it is. It is, tada! The Flores de Mayo Fiesta kit. It looks exciting inside, and it states here, warning, a fun Filipino celebration awaits. Interesting. I think it would be more exciting if I'm going to share this with a friend. Yes, that's right. I have two boxes here, and we will do the unboxing together, and we will present it to you guys. So, we're going to leave the house now, and I will see you later. So now I'm already here at my friend's place, and in a while we're going to press the doorbell and we will give the package, a surprise package for you. Okay? So, samahan niyo ako. Let's go! Hello! Good afternoon! Hey!
Hello! What's that?
I have a surprise for you. So
for me?
Yes.
What's
Courtesy
that?
of the Philippine Consulate General in Frankfurt. It is a Fiesta kit.
A Flores de Mayo festival kit, Fiesta Filipinas, an online celebration of Philippine festivals. Wow! I'm so excited! What's inside?
We have to unbox it today.
Okay, we're gonna do it, but first I have prepared something for us to eat. Come.
Oh, that's nice. Okay.
Welcome to my little herb.
He prepared something for us.
So I prepared something for us to eat today. So I have adobo tuna.
Wow.
Egg. I don't know, it's omelette. And then corned beef, care of Pure Foods. And a little bit of wine and pineapple.
Oh, that's nice. Thank you.
Sit.
Oh, I'm already hungry. So now before we're going to do the unboxing, I guess we have to take our own boxes, right?
Yes, but we're gonna make it more exciting for today because while doing the unboxing, we're gonna do mukbang, as we're gonna eat while doing the unboxing. So
exactly.
That makes it more exciting.
For the preparation, I didn't expect that you cook something.
This one is from the Philippine Consulate General.
Exactly.
In
from
Germany.
The Philippine Consulate General in Frankfurt.
We have 2 boxes. We received 2 boxes. Okay, thank you, Philippine Consulate General.
Maraming salamat po. As you can see, it states of Flores de Mayo, and usually in the Philippines we celebrate it in the month of May, right? Have you experienced watching feast like this one in your province?
In my province?
By the way, Jover is from
General Santos City.
and I am from Metro Manila. Okay. Yeah, like the procession or procession.
When I was a kid, I've already known that I was gay. I've always wished na sana I'll be the one with the girls wearing the gown.
The Reina Elena.
The Reina Elena, but then it didn't happen.
Okay.
So I wasn't active really during the Flores de Mayo. I think I just attended once my entire childhood life. And then I just watched them. How about you?
Yeah, I've only watched once. And it was exciting. Somewhere in our barangays, they do like this Flores de Mayo festival. And there will be a procession. and there will be like Reina Elena and the other one like an escort. I don't know what the name. I forgot it, but
I don't know.
Anyway, it is a huge celebration also in the Philippines in the month of May.
But too bad, because of Corona, I think they will not be able to celebrate it. But then again, although we weren't able to celebrate it with the Filipinos right now, we're so blessed and thankful because they've given us these gifts. So we're about to open it.
Are you excited?
Kinda.
And now, the moment that we're waiting for, we're going to open
The magical secret box from the Philippine Consulate General.
Okay, so that's one.
1, 2, 3. Perfect. So let's see. Wait, I don't know.
Okay, let me take also a bite.
I don't know.
So good. Yeah, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Why no?
There's a booklet. Flores de Mayo Festival. What's inside? Flores de Mayo, mabuhay! The Philippines has a tradition of celebrating Fiesta or festivals all year round.
Different cities all over the country have different festivals that are held mostly in honor of patron saints and historic events that bring the community together. Welcome to Fiesta Filipinas, a series of online events introducing and showcasing Philippine festivals, culture, and traditions. Through this online event, you will be able to have a glimpse of Filipino culture and celebrate with us amidst challenges of the new normal.
Okay, so here is a picture.
I'm so excited! What's inside?
So now we have to open now what's inside. This one. So yes, we have to. You didn't wait for me. Okay, I'll do it for me now.
One, two.
1, 2, 3.
What's this one? Do we have the same?
We have the same, but I think we have to do it later. There is an instruction. So,
what do you have?
I have here malunggay orange juice drink.
Malunggay orange.
Yay.
Yes, I have that. I have 3 of it. I have also these are cashew tarts.
Oh, me too.
Cashew tarts. I don't know where it's from. Manufactured by M&S Sweets Pastries in San Fernando, Pampanga. Hi, Pampanga.
I love sweets. Oh.
What else?
Here I have a typical Filipino food or delicacy. It is polvoron.
Polvoron.
Oh, cookies and cream. I have cookies and cream.
Next up, we have here. Oh, I love this one. Like banana chips.
Banana chips.
Banana chips from Pinamalayan Oriental Mindoro. Hi, Mindoro. And lastly,
a langka tart. So langka tarts.
Langka tarts. They're typical fruit from the Philippines. Langka. Thank you. Yay. They're full of sweets. It reminds me of her.
I mean, these are typical food or delicacies that we usually have in the Philippines, and while we are here in Germany or here abroad, we also miss eating this food, and we are so happy that
we're so thankful for Philippine Consulate.
we have it right now. It's been given to us, so thank you very much again. So,
thank you. We're gonna continue eating.
we have to continue eating first, and then we have to take one dessert probably, and then we have to make something later on, which is how to make
This one.
a gumamela flour, I think.
Make a gumamela paper flour. Flour. In this kit. We're gonna do it later. We're gonna eat first because we're hungry. Didn't eat.
So I hope you are also eating your home right now. So enjoy and good appetite, everyone.
See you later.
See you later. So now for the final one, we have to make a gumamela paper flour. So we'll open it. There's a little step-by-step instructions. Here it is. Here our manual. to make our template. So let's do this. Mag-glue daw sa lip na. Tapos lagyan ng glue yung gitna, diba? Mag-ikit.
Same done. Ano ito?
Ano ginawa?
Pinadikit ko.
Pinadikit mo sa mismong stem, no?
Oo. Saan na ito sa barangay?
Alisa. Dito mo makikita kung sino talaga nagpa-follow na instruction natin. Okay, so tip lang naman ang kailangan. Okay, tapos
tip buo?
9, and that's only the tip. That's it.
Kasi
wrap around the floral wire from the base of the vision of Krypton about 1.5 inches. Sabi dito. Then,
kala mo ka. Take leaf sheet and fold. Not following instruction, but then again.
Here we go.
Mine is more.
So,
thank you.
and we have already the Mumia flower, and we're done. So we already finished unboxing our Fiesta kit, and we've already made Gomela flower. So we learned something new when it comes to art, how to be patient and how to be more creative. So
and how to follow
and we will
instructions.
do again this one next time. So on behalf of the Filipino nurse community in Germany, we would like to thank again the Philippine Consulate General in Frankfurt for this kits that you provided for us, and we really enjoyed unboxing and seeing everything here. Makes us feel that we are at home. So hopefully on our trip to the Philippines, we could enjoy again some delicacies or some typical Filipino foods, like this one that I'm going to eat. Up. So I hope you enjoyed watching our vlog today, and hopefully to see you again next time. My name again is Ayan.
I'm Rover.
So this is all for now. Bye bye.